Hello everyone, I am Mokshit. Today I am going to explain about polymorphism in Python. This is a concept in object-oriented programming language, OOPS concept. So first we go to first slide. Uh, First of all, we need to know what is polymorphism. Polymorphism. This is derived from Greek word. Poly means many and morph means form. It's a core concept in object-oriented programming language like OOPS. Polymorphism means many forms. In programming, it refers to the ability of different objects to respond, each in their own way, to the same method call. There are two types of polymorphism. One is compile time. This is not applicable in Python, so we did not discuss about it in this session. And the other one is runtime. This will be used in Python. Compile time polymorphism. This is static binding or method overloading. This type of polymorphism is resolved during the compilation phase. It allows methods or operators with the same name to behave differently based on their input parameters or usage. Python does not support method overloading in the traditional sense. Multiple methods with the same name but different parameter leads with the same class. And the second one, runtime polymorphism. This is dynamic binding or method overriding. That one is method overloading, and this is method overriding. This type of polymorphism is resolved during the execution of the program. It occurs when a subclass provides a specific implementation for a method already defined in its parent class. This allows objects of different class to respond differently to the same method call. Method overriding is a key feature of inheritance-based polymorphism. And then uh, we should know why polymorphism matters, like why we use this and what is the use of polymorphism in using in Python language. First of all, it enhances code reusability and promotes flexibility and scalability, and it supports interference consistency. It encourages cleaner and more readable code. Then we need to discuss polymorphism via function overriding. This definition is overriding is when a subclass provides a specific implementation of a method already defined in its superclass. This is the example code for polymorphism via function overriding. Here we given a class named animal and def speak, like animal will speak, so animal speaks, and then we give as another subclass like dog. In that the main class is included, it is animal. Then the like animal speaks, then dog barks, like that. So when we give an object equal to dog, object does speak, then we get the output as barks. Next we need to discuss that polymorphism via built-in functions. This is the example code for polymorphism with built-in functions. Like this length of hello is given in this code. It gives an output like 5, and the length of 1 comma 2 comma 3 in square brackets gives us 3. The length function behaves differently based on the type of object passed to it. Then polymorphism with class methods. This is the example code for polymorphism with class methods. Here we given a class named cat and class named dog. Here the cat has a return value meow and the dog has a return value as bark. For animal and cat, dog, print animal sound. Like we want to print the both sounds of animals, so giving us animal dot sound. We know that this dot operator is used for accessing the class objects or class methods. So the output we get is meow and bark. Abstract class and polymorphism. Using ABC module, like we can use either abstract method like that. We can abstract classes in polymorphism. This is the example code how we abstract classes in Python language. You can see and observe the code. It is very simple. And then going to summary of this session is polymorphism allows for method overriding at runtime. Python supports polymorphism through tag typing and method overriding. Useful for writing flexible and maintainable code. That's it for today. Thank you.